No one likes video ads. Wait, let me try that again. No one likes boring video ads. The proof is in the pudding, or in this situation, the case studies. In a study of the US Navy's YouTube advertising campaign, Google reported that as a result of carefully crafted and targeted video ads, people who view the ads at least twice were over 15% more likely to think about enlisting. In 2021, understanding video advertising trends can help your business avoid the dreaded boring video ad, create positive experiences for your audience, and earn more conversions. Here are 3 trends I'll cover in this video. Do-it-yourself, DIY videos, silent films, storytelling. Those trends might seem a bit broad, but stay with me. Everything will make sense in the end. First up, DIY videos. You don't need a $10,000 camera and a professional film crew to make an interesting video ad. While streaming services like Netflix and Hulu certainly push the boundaries of video production, video sharing platforms like TikTok and YouTube make it easier than ever for people and businesses to create and distribute engaging videos with minimal equipment. You just need a phone that can record video. Search for nearly any topic on YouTube and you'll find videos of one person standing in front of a camera explaining that topic to their audience. What matters most when it comes to video advertising is not the production value, but the content in your video. You have to be able to hook your audience with your concept. You might need to use a basic video editing software to edit your YouTube videos, which you can learn about on our website, but it's something that shouldn't take more than a few hours of your time. Next, I'll talk about silent films. Picture it, social media, 2021. You're out and about, but decide to take a quick break to check your socials. You scroll through your feed and see a video ad. It plays as you scroll, but with no audio. The visuals catch your eye, so you stop and watch. You don't want to disturb people near you, so you watch with the sound off. The story isn't an unusual one. On LinkedIn alone, fewer than 40% of mobile video viewers say they watch videos with the sound on. Plus, one study from Verizon Media found that people surveyed were 80% likelier to finish watching a video if that video used captions. You should keep 2 things in mind when considering how to conform to people's silent viewing habits. The visuals need to grab people's attention. Without audio, you don't have the luxury of grabbing people with a fun sound effect or captivating music. You have to let the visuals do the work. If you aren't able to shoot the videos yourself, you can take advantage of stock footage shot by professional videographers. Sites like Storyblocks, Pexels, and Shutterstock have libraries full of stunning video clips. Just make sure whatever you download is royalty-free and approved for commercial use. You need to give people a way to understand your dialogue. If you choose to use a video with dialogue, you need to give silent viewers a way to understand what people are saying. Captions will solve your problems. Captioning your videos helps people of all hearing abilities understand your content better, so it's good practice for every video you create. Fear not! You don't have to type out captions on your own. You can use a captioning service like Rev to properly develop caption files that you can upload to whichever advertising platform you're using. The last trend I'll discuss is storytelling. Storytelling grabs people. It gives them a reason to watch your videos. While telling a story in your ads isn't a new idea, it's very important in the age of digital advertising. Now, the ease with which people can make videos has created a sort of wonderful problem. Since anyone can do it, everyone is doing it. With so many ads and videos on the internet, your content has to hook people in order to succeed. Just on Facebook, millions of businesses take advantage of its advertising options. And according to YouTube, people upload over 500 hours of video per minute. Per minute! Standing out among millions of other businesses is not easy. Storytelling comes in as a video advertising trend because it can give you that hook to capture people's attention. A story helps you connect with your audience and their emotions. It's what keeps people wanting more. An excellent storytelling format for video advertising is the hero's journey. You've probably noticed the hero's journey in any action or adventure movie. You start with a normal person who is sent on a daring quest to achieve a goal. They find themselves working with an ally to achieve said goal. They face many challenges on their quest, but conquer them with the help of their ally. Spoiler alert, they achieve their goal and live happily ever after. You don't have to write the next blockbuster film to take advantage of the hero's journey. Think about how your products or services can change people's lives. What were people's lives like before you came into the picture? The focus isn't on how great your business is, but on how great other people can become as a result of working with you. Keeping these 3 video advertising trends in mind can make your business stand out against your competition. Just remember to keep your business goals in mind when deciding how you'll respond to these trends. If you're looking for a team of experienced content creators to help with your video advertising, look no further than WebFX. We've driven over $2 billion in sales for our clients in the last 5 years, and we'd be happy to discuss how we can do this for your business. Before you go, don't forget to sign up for Revenue Weekly, our email newsletter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest in digital marketing. Thanks for watching!